Best Pet Vacuum Grooming Kit. Are you looking for the best pet vacuum grooming kit? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pet vacuum grooming kit on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Oneisall Dog Hair Vacuum and Grooming Kit. The oneisall Dog Hair Vacuum and Dog Grooming Kit is a comprehensive pet grooming solution designed to make caring for your furry friends easier and more efficient. This innovative product combines the power of a vacuum with essential grooming tools, offering a unique way to handle pet hair shedding while keeping your home clean and your pet well-groomed. At the heart of the kit is the Pet Grooming Vacuum, which features a 1.5L dust cup that can easily collect pet hair and dander, ensuring your home stays tidy even during shedding seasons. The vacuum's powerful suction ensures that it captures hair from your pet's coat while minimizing mess. This feature is especially helpful for pets that shed a lot, as it significantly reduces the amount of loose fur around your home. The grooming kit includes a variety of 7 pet grooming tools, each designed for specific needs. These tools include a pet clipper, nail grinder, and dog brush, providing you with everything necessary for a thorough grooming session. The nail grinder is gentle on your pet's paws, reducing the risk of cutting too short, while the clipper helps trim your pet's fur to the desired length. The brush is ideal for detangling and removing loose hair, leaving your pet's coat shiny and smooth. With the added benefit of hands-free operation during grooming, this kit makes the process less stressful for both you and your pet. Whether you need to groom your dog's fur, trim nails, or clean up shedding hair, the oneisall Dog Hair Vacuum and Dog Grooming Kit provides an all-in-one solution that keeps your pet healthy and your home clean. Number 2. Neabot P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum. The Neabot Nikasa P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum Suction is a powerful and innovative grooming solution designed to make pet care easier and more efficient for both you and your pet. This professional-grade grooming kit is perfect for dogs, cats, and other animals, offering a combination of high-performance clippers and vacuum suction technology to eliminate pet hair and ensure a clean, stress-free grooming experience. The standout feature of the Nikasa P1 Pro is its 99% pet hair suction capability, which captures hair directly into a dustbin while you groom. This minimizes shedding around your home and helps keep your living spaces tidy. The vacuum suction is powerful yet gentle, ensuring that it pulls in loose hair and dander without causing discomfort to your pet. The kit includes 5 proven grooming tools designed to handle a variety of tasks. These tools include professional-grade clippers for trimming your pet's coat, a brush for detangling and de-shedding, a nail grinder for safe and precise nail care, and scissors for detailed cutting. Each tool is designed to provide a professional-level grooming experience, ensuring your pet looks and feels its best. The quiet operation of the grooming tools and the suction system ensures that your pet stays calm and comfortable during grooming sessions. The ergonomic design of the clippers makes them easy to use, even for beginners, allowing you to maintain your pet's coat with ease. In addition, the Nikasa P1 Pro features a large-capacity dustbin, reducing the need for frequent emptying. This all-in-one solution makes it simple to groom your pet, keep your home clean, and reduce the mess associated with traditional pet grooming. Whether for regular grooming or seasonal shedding, the Nikasa P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit is a must-have for pet owners who value convenience and efficiency. Number 3. oneisall BM3 Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. The oneisall Dog Grooming Vacuum is a powerful and efficient grooming solution designed to keep your pet clean while maintaining a tidy home. This versatile grooming kit combines a 13,000 pascal suction power with an array of grooming tools, making it ideal for handling shedding, trimming, and cleaning up after your furry friend. At the core of the BM3 model is the 3L dust cup, capable of holding a large amount of pet hair, which reduces the need for frequent emptying. The high-powered vacuum suction effectively pulls hair and dander from your pet's coat, preventing loose fur from spreading throughout your home. This feature makes it particularly useful for homes with shedding pets, as it significantly reduces the mess created by pet hair. The vacuum operates quietly, ensuring that your pet remains calm and relaxed throughout the grooming process. The oneisall dog grooming kit includes 7 grooming tools, each designed for a specific grooming task. It features professional-grade dog clippers for trimming fur, a shedding brush for removing loose hair, and other tools for de-shedding, nail grinding, and general maintenance. These tools are perfect for handling all coat types, from short to long-haired breeds, providing a thorough grooming session with ease. With 3 suction levels, you can adjust the vacuum power based on your pet's size and coat thickness. Whether your pet has thick, long hair or a lighter, shorter coat, this grooming kit can adapt to your needs, ensuring an effective grooming session every time. In summary, the oneisall dog grooming vacuum offers a quiet, efficient, and easy-to-use solution for pet grooming and cleaning. With its powerful suction, large dust cup, and 7 grooming tools, it's an excellent choice for pet owners who want a cleaner home and a happy, well-groomed pet. Number 4. oneisall dog vacuum and dryer grooming kit. The oneisall dog vacuum and dryer for shedding grooming is a comprehensive 8-in-1 grooming kit that combines powerful vacuum suction with a professional-grade dryer, offering a full grooming experience for your pet. Designed to handle shedding and grooming tasks, this versatile kit helps keep your pet's coat clean and your home free of loose hair. The kit includes a vacuum that efficiently captures shedding fur, dander, and debris while grooming your pet. With its powerful suction, it reduces the mess that typically accompanies pet grooming, making cleanup easier. The dryer function is perfect for blowing out excess water after a bath or for drying your pet's coat quickly, keeping them comfortable and fluffy. With adjustable speed and temperature controls, the dryer allows you to customize airflow to suit your pet's needs, whether you need a gentle drying process for sensitive pets or a quicker, higher heat for faster drying. The 8-in-1 grooming kit features an array of attachments, including metal blades for precise cutting and pet clippers for trimming and shaping your pet's coat. Whether you're dealing with a long, tangled coat or a short, smooth one, the kit provides the right tools to tackle every grooming task. The vacuum and dryer also come with multiple attachments and brushes for de-shedding, detangling, and finishing touches. This oneisall dog vacuum and dryer is designed with convenience in mind, offering a seamless grooming experience that reduces shedding and saves time. It's quiet and effective, ensuring that your pet remains calm during grooming sessions. Whether you need to trim, dry, or de-shed, this 8-in-1 grooming kit provides everything you need to keep your pet looking great and your home clean. Number 5. PetCove Dog Grooming Kit and Hair Dryer. The dog grooming vacuum and kit is an all-in-one solution for pet owners looking to efficiently manage shedding and grooming at home. This 8-in-1 grooming kit combines a vacuum, hair dryer, and a variety of grooming tools to make the process of keeping your pet clean and healthy both easy and effective. One of the standout features of this kit is its 60 dB low-noise vacuum, which ensures a quiet grooming experience. Unlike traditional vacuums, the low-noise operation is gentle on your pet, helping to keep them calm during the grooming session. The powerful vacuum suction efficiently collects pet hair, dander, and debris, preventing loose fur from spreading around your home. The vacuum is especially helpful during shedding seasons, as it reduces the mess created by your pet's fur. The 8-in-1 grooming kit includes several essential grooming tools to meet various needs. It features pet clippers for trimming and shaping your pet's coat, a de-shedding brush for removing loose hair, and a nail grinder for safe and effective nail care. The hair dryer function also helps dry your pet after baths or grooming, with adjustable settings for temperature and airflow, allowing you to customize the experience based on your pet's comfort. The vacuum and grooming kit is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, saving time and hassle while keeping your home free from pet hair. Whether you have a dog with a thick, long coat or a shorter, smoother coat, this kit has everything you need for a full grooming session. It's ideal for pet owners who want to maintain their pet's hygiene and appearance while reducing the mess and stress associated with traditional grooming.